Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into something that's transforming lives across the globe. Holistic approaches to managing chronic illness. Let's get started. Imagine waking up every morning feeling balanced and in control of your health. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's becoming a reality with practices like Rezenity Health. Founded by Donna Crayer, this innovative practice in Pittsford offers holistic care for those dealing with chronic pain and other conditions. But what makes holistic care so effective? It's all about the mind-body connection. At Rezenity Health, they combine psychotherapy, functional movement, and health coaching to create personalized care plans. This integrated approach doesn't just treat symptoms, it aims to improve your overall quality of life. How awesome is that? Not to be outdone, the Brainerd Lakes area is also seeing a surge in holistic health services. From acupuncture to hormone management, practitioners like Amanda Plavel and Julianne Becker are leading the charge. Their mission? To provide proactive, intentional, and purposeful care. Take Amanda Plavel, for example. After overcoming chronic illness herself, she founded ANMC Holistic Health to help others do the same. She's proof that holistic methods can be incredibly powerful, and she's not alone. Julianne Becker of Better Days Acupuncture blends Western and Eastern medicine to offer unique, personalized treatments. Jenna Niggeler of New Morning Acupuncture focuses on women's health, tailoring her treatments to each individual. And at Key Wellness, Kelly Van Vickle and Kelly Thompson provide a range of services designed to boost your confidence and overall well-being. These practitioners are more than just healthcare providers, they're pioneers in a movement that's changing lives. So, if you're dealing with chronic illness or just looking to boost your health, consider exploring holistic options. It could be the game changer you've been searching for. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the alert bell for more health and wellness tips from Peak Mind Provisions 369. Catch you in the next one.